Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So let's go. Hey Devjit, what's up, bro? Hello. So we can see that we have already contributed to Laravel framework, base, JStream, Breeze, of course, Pinkri, Vector, Vector. Uh, it's Catchet, I guess. Live has started it already. Yeah, it was a small contribution. Then we have uh, contributed to rector.com, dash plugin. Then, yeah, you see, I will be in the top 10 soon. It's 10.7, right? Let's see. Uh, Currently we don't have a fork of the framework where we wanna actually gonna contribute, right? So let's see. So we need to go to our framework, right? Then we need to actually fork it, right? So we can just click here. The framework is available. Yeah, we only need the 12x branch and we will fork it, right? After forking the repository, right? We need to clone it, and I have already cloned the repository, right? You can see the 12x branch here. Then we can see that no one is viewing the stream. Is the stream? Is there anyone watching right now? I cannot see anyone. Okay, no problem. I hope the stream is working fine. Let's see. Then live and yeah, Asif is there. Okay, the live is still working. I was like, the live is not working. Maybe some issue with the from my side. I cannot see the viewers right now. Okay, Vishal Chawda. Hello, hello Asif. Okay, let's go ahead. After cloning the repository, right? We have cloned the repository. You can see the 12x branch we have cloned, and we can see that like all the stuff we have in the telex branch. We already installed our dependency, the vendor folder, right? Because it may take some time, right? Then after doing that, we need to clone, or we can say we need to create a project. Sorry, sorry. We need to create a project, Laravel project, right? Then what you need to do is, firstly you need to uh, say that my minimum stability should be dev. It must be stable whenever you create the project. But right now we wanna uh, contribute to the Laravel framework. That then we need a minimum stability as a dev, right? Then what you need to do is you need to add one repository array. It will be not there when you try to like create a project, right? Then you need to add this. Then you can add a dev package, right? Then you can say type as a path, because then you can just provide a path to the your package, right? And symlink true. So now if I do composer update, right, what it will do, it will maybe say, mm, see, let's I think let's remove it first, and do the stable, right? And let's do the composer update, so we can see again. Yeah, we want to do a composer update, right? So what it will do, it will remove the 12x dev branch which was I added before, and it will add the latest released from the remote, right? uh, cloned repository, right? So yeah, my voice is better. Hello, my voice is better. Let me know in the comment. Okay, so it will now auto load the files, right? That's why we already did it, because it may take some time. But okay, so let's go. Actually, so it's done, right? Now whenever I do something here, right, in this package, it will be reflect in this Laravel project which we have cloned, right? Right, we don't need a terminal, we will close it. Okay, so what we actually gonna do today, right? Let's see. So what actually happened? Um, let's see some X. Sorry, the Twitter. So what I did is I actually do a poll today also, and actually from last three streams we are checking the builders. Hello Pankaj, we are checking the builders, right? And what I found is we don't have a command to create a builders. One thing. Second thing, we cannot create a builder with the while creating the models, right? So what we're gonna do is we will try to create a builder, right? And what we can say, we will try to add a flag called builder to the model command, right? So for that, we actually need to check first that how this particular things works, right? So let's go to the src. Is it visible? Let No, it isn't, right? Let's, yeah, now it will be visible, right? And let's do zoom little bit more maybe. Okay, so whenever we talk about commands in Laravel, it must be in the console, right? But in this console, we have some other commands than the what we are looking for. It will be in the foundation, because most of the stuff we require to build an application, it's like there in the foundation. We will check the console and we can find job make command, right? Model make command, right? So this is what we were looking for, right? Okay, let's see how actually it is working, right? It is a generator command, right? So what it has, uh, like the command is extending the generator command, uh, create matching tests that we will look later, right? Then we can see the name, make model, then we can see description, then we can see the type is model, right? We will check what the type means, and we have handle, and we also have a parent handle or something, right? Now what we are checking, what kind of options passed to the um, command, right? If we have all, then we are creating everything, right? If we have if you have a factory, then we only create factory, right? Okay, if we have all, we set the option as all stuff, right? This will be little bit gonna tricky for today, because not everyone wants a builder when they ask for all, right? So we cannot add a builder stuff into the all stuff, right? Okay, that's gonna be tricky. So let's say Taylor will tell us what we need to do at that particular stuff. Then we have migration and all, right? So if this particular function stuff is already sorry, all the stuff is already there, we will say we need to create a control, right? So that's how it is working. We have create factory function, we have create migration function, we have all the other stuff, right? But there must be something where I have done some work. Yeah, I see this was done by me 5 months ago, right? You can see you, right? So I have added some stuff here already. So I am aware about builder make command today, right? So I think we can start by creating a file, or maybe just duplicate any particular command, right? So let's find the make factory command. Maybe that will be easy for us. Let's model make job back. Yeah, we can maybe duplicate this. What do you say? Yeah, I think we can duplicate this. Mm, or maybe let's see. Let's find some other stuff. I don't find the factory make command, but let's say we have event make command also, right? Yeah, we can duplicate. So what we're gonna do is we just gonna copy and paste it. Sorry, um, we're gonna copy paste this, just duplicated this. Then what we can say, we need a builder make command, right? And what we're gonna do is we're gonna just rename this, right? Now we have a builder make command, make builder, right? Here we can also do builder, then create a builder class type. We can call it builder for now. I don't know how it will gonna. Let's see the references. Okay, in generator command we have something with the types, right? Let's see if it will gonna break. We will do something with the particular stuff. I think mm, this is not any. I don't think we need to do anything. If you have any doubt, right? We will check it later. For now, just save it. So we have actually the particular. Then I don't think we need to change anything here. Yeah, this is something interesting. What should be the namespace, right? For now, let's do models slash builders. Then let's tailor this what namespace it should have. Then yeah, we don't need anything else. We don't need to change anything else, I guess. For now, right? For now, we don't need to change anything else. So let's go to the builder stuff, right? Let's try to check the builder stuff, right? And so what we actually need here, right? Firstly, we must need some, let's copy from any particular stuff. Maybe the event. No, this is yeah, this is something nice. So we can just copy this and paste it here, but what actually missing? This is white. Um, okay, maybe we have just copied it, so it is working. So we don't need a enum here. We need a class here, right? And it should actions extend something, right? Let's see. Uh, extends what it should extend. What it should extend. Let's see. Uh, I think it should extend a builder, right? Cheese. Uh, you, you, let's actually uh, uh, rename this to .php for now to get some IDE support. Then we will again. Oh, what's happening? Hmm, why it is taking some time? Okay, yeah, right. Nice. So I think now what we can do is we can. What actually happened? Yeah, I think we will get now builder namespace suggestion, or let's. I think What you can do is we can create open a new window for now. Then what we can do is we can get a reference from our own project which we were like we already built, right? Yeah, so builder is already there actually. Then what we can do is we can just copy this out and we can just close it. Yeah. So yeah, sometimes we need to do some stuff like this too. And we don't need a fluent, right? We don't need this for now. Let's do it later because we are not actually. And now we can rename it back to the stop, right? Okay. I think why it is taking some time. I don't know. Yeah, okay. So basically, we have a stub, right? Already. And we have a make builder command also, right? So let's go to the Laravel project and sorry, PHP artisan list and try to find our make builder command in this. Do we have it? No. Yeah, no. We actually don't have it. Okay, we don't have it. Let's try to run if we can. PHP artisan make column builder. What we can say? Some no, right? So maybe we need to do some registrations. Maybe I don't know. Let's try to find why it is not working. Right? Which folder are you going to choose to put it by default? Yeah, I am thinking to put it into the models builders. What do you say? Let me know in the comments. Okay, I think yeah, is it where we need to prompt the missing? No, no, this is not actually tough. But yeah, I think we need to register it somewhere. So where we need to do that, let's find it. Mhm. Okay, one thing we can do is we can go to any particular command, right, and check the references. We have, yeah, the dev commands, right? So I think we need to add it here, right? Hopefully, let's do it. So B for builder, B builder, make, right? Builder, make, and okay. So let's try it now. And the builder class is created, right? So we already achieved. Yeah, I think yeah, that was the Twitter poll about why the site command name two time. Where? Sorry, where? What we are missing? What? Oh, okay, you are talking about this one. Hmm. Sajid, sorry, Sajjad Hussain. Let me know in the little bit detail. I don't understand what you are like trying to say, but yeah. So we already created a generated command, right? Which will gonna what it will gonna do is it will create the builder, right? But now what we actually wanna do is we want a flag, right? So let's try to add a flag called model. Yeah, we are actually needing this. The model that builder applies to. Yeah, right. Perfect. So that is what actually we wanted to do, right? Okay. What next? Mm, so if model is already provided, right? What we gonna do is we will we need to first actually update the stuff, right? Okay, first we need to actually create a branch. Fit adds builder, uh, make builder command, right? Yeah, and let's try to publish it. Uh, so we can actually see if it will work. See, we already have this branch over here, so it is connected to the same remote. Okay, so we already added the stuff, right? The builder stuff. Now we gonna update the builder stuff. So what we actually gonna update is we need this generic stuff. Sorry. Okay, we need this generic stuff. Yeah, that was missing actually. So yeah. So what we actually gonna do is when uh when yeah model stuff is present, we will update this, right? We will add this over here, right? When the like model stuff is not there, we will, what we can do, can we add a placeholder? No. So let's cut it out and say what we can call here is the model uh, generic block, right? Maybe no, not block, php dog, right? Let's see. Generic, yeah, model piece. Are you going to write that new builder? Yeah, I will. Then what we need is we actually need protected or a public. I don't remember. Do we need a protected or a public? Let's go to the Laravel.com. Then let's start it. Builder, builder, ORM, builder. Maybe we can put entire PHP top and simply replace the model on it. Okay, but what if someone like do not add like the model flag, right? So what we will just add a default model. What do you say? Mm, See, let me try to explain. See, if someone pass the model flag, we will have this two namespace, right? But if someone not passing the like dash dash model flag, we will not have this particular stuff. So we actually need to totally remove this particular PHP doc, right? So yeah, and we can say that we will need a model, no, not model, builder. Uh, but no, we are not going to put that here. Actually, we will gonna put that into the model class, and that is the second part of this PR. Okay. Mm, So what we're gonna do is actually we already did most of the stuff. Just we need to replace this, right? Okay. So for that, what we're gonna do is we actually gonna do. We will go to the, I think, make model command first because we need some reference, right? Mm, sorry. Yeah, model make command. And what we're gonna do is we just gonna what yeah, this build class stuff is already there. We need to replace the stuff, right? We just gonna copy this and put it into the make builder command, right? So we already where we can put it, uh, let's put some here, and we will check later where it should be, right? So build a factory replacement, but we are not going to build now a factory replacement. We actually gonna build a model replacement, right? So what we can do is we just say build. a model replacement, right? And what we're gonna do is uh, we actually need a protected or like a private method. Let's see what we did in the previous stuff. So let's see this. Uh, yeah, so it is a protected method, right? Let's just copy this out, or yeah, we can just copy this all off, and we can just remove whatever we don't need, right? To save more time, maybe, and just we can put this over here. Yeah. So not a factory. We will need a model here, right? And we'll need a model here too. Then what we can do is we can check if model is there. Don't need to check for the all, right? So then this is what this we are doing. We'll, yeah, this is also fine actually by the name. But we are getting the model path, but we don't need the model part here. Maybe let's do it like this. Let's see later this. Actually, so when model is there, uh, when model is not there actually. So what we will gonna do is we will gonna just and can what we can do is what we were doing. Yeah, actually, let me explain one thing. Actually, I added this actually. Why? Because in Windows you need this, and in what we can say in non Windows means the Unix, you need this actually. So it will help us, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the builder stuff, and I forgot what we added actually. Yeah, this was the thing what we added, right? And we can just put it over here. So when actually the model is not there, right? We will remove the PHP doc with the new line, right? Then if we have it, what we gonna do, that is what we actually, right? And we can just, for now, we can do where it was for we copied that particular stuff. Yeah, I think this, right? Yeah. So let's say we have this particular stuff and now we need these two things, right? So now what we can do is we can think that model uh, is model path is already there, that is also there. Don't need that path actually. So I think let's just uh, see what we actually need is we need a model, sorry, dollar model namespace, right? Is equal to, maybe I think we suppose we think the user will pass the model namespace fully, right? Now we need a class name, right? Okay, I think this should be also a namespace because we don't wanna import that stuff, right? The post stuff. So I think this will be fine. So we actually need a namespace only, right? And what we can do is now we can just replace model namespace, right? And this as should be small because namespace is the single word, right? So let's go and check if we create a model, a builder class, something with some namespace is equal to, sorry, a model is equal to app, app, maybe we can start with the slash, then slash, sorry, the again one slash, you need app here, uh, models, right? And we will have a user model for sure, right? and we created the stuff. Okay, this is not replaced. So maybe we did some mistake here. Where? Okay, we haven't replaced it. So we actually need to, okay, we can actually do that. Then we can just cut it name, just put it over here. So we can ignore one variable, extra variable. Let's do it again. Hopefully it will gonna work. So what we can do is we can just maybe delete this and run the command again, right? Oh, and we have it actually, but with some problem. Let's see. I think this can be solved with one enter. No, why? Oh, yeah, this was the problem actually. So let's do it. Something one. Okay. So we have created and yeah, it's successfully created. Right. We created the builder command, which actually okay, we actually need to create one more builder without the model flag, right? Something without flag, right? And yo, we created it, right? We did it. So, uh, I think this is working right now, actually. So we need actually now test for it. So we will write tests. So I think this is pretty working now, right? This is working. Okay, let's celebrate. Write something for the celebration in the comments. Okay, let's go further. So we actually need a test. So no, so now we need to check where the tests are located, right? Let's go to the test folder. Most probably the same foundation and the console. Oops, no. So where it will be located? Hmm, I think we open. Okay. Mm. One thing we can do is what I remember is I can actually go to mm, the make model command actually again, uh, and here it is, and we can search actually for this particular stuff, and we will get to the make model tests. Hopefully, let's see. Let's see. Why it is taking too much time actually? Mm, okay, I think this is something tricky for me actually. I already brought the taste for it in a previous like my PR, but I don't remember actually where the tastes are located. Do you know where the tastes are located? Or uh, let's it search for the and we will search for our taste. So let's go to the taste again. Let's check this for this console. No, let's go to the foundation. Let's go to the history. Okay, this is nothing. This is something else. Well, let's do some make model. What? Uh, I haven't cloned the test. What actually happening? I'm not understanding. Let's keep it up. Let's find. Let's try to find the test. I don't know like why those tests are missing from here. Those should be here only, right? I don't even know where the tests are located because this is something fun that I do. I'm not able to find the test. Consent, no. Support, no. What do you say? Why we are not able to find the test? Prepare yes? No. Okay. And this is also not able to find because of this? No. I think. Okay. Let's go further and uh, like do everything without taste. Later, I will add the taste. So our another task was, what do you say? We should create a separate PR to add a builder command to the make model command to create a builder with the model command with a slash slash builder flag, or we should add it right now. Okay. And for that particular time, I need to find the tests. Why I'm not able to find the test? No, 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 no. Is it something? Isn't it fairly we're not able to find the test? And why? This is actually fun. What I'm missing, I don't understand. Actually. Okay, but we have successfully created some stuff already. So, okay. Now, I think this is going harder. I think I should close this. Yeah. And open it again. Right? Let's open a new window. I think that particular stuff was with some glitches. I don't know. Let's open listen a framework, right? And do some zooming. Yeah, should not happen, but it actually happened. And still, there are no tests for what we are looking. Okay, Ash, we actually found the test. Oh, it's in the generators, integration generators. I wasn't out like able to recall where I brought the test because these tests are you can also see like these tests are written by me, right? Okay, now we are happy because we found the test. And let's just copy this and let's go to the test and create new file with test prefix, right? And what we will gonna do is, yeah, we can just write a unit test, right? So we can just copy this all out, right? Yeah, we need to call it the builder test class, right? And we need not that actually. We will gonna do that, right? Now what we actually want to test, right? Mm-hmm. Is it will gonna work? Will it gonna work? Hmm, right. Okay. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna work or not. Let's run it. If it is, yeah, it's gonna fail, right? Because AI don't know what we are actually doing. But it actually gave us like something we need, right? So what we are doing, we are saying PHP artist make, and yeah, I think this is something we need a models here. We maybe also need a models here, right? And yeah, we also need a models here. Where yeah, we also need models here. Other than that, okay, let's run it again. Still failing. So let's check what we are doing. We are doing make model food, right? Yeah, but why bar builders? Okay, does not exist. Yeah, that we want actually. And the model so actually, yeah. But there is not an issue. Let's see namespace. Yeah, we need to update this namespace. New models, right? Other than that, yeah, we need this. Yeah, we need this too. But we need a actually builder here. It will not gonna automatically add it, right? Now let's run the test. Test passed, right? What other test can be? It creates file name with the namespace. Yeah, perfect. And let's see what it does. Actually, builder class contains, and we also need to check if yeah the Fubal builder class is not there. Perfect. How okay. Now we can run this particular test, and this is also passing. So both the tests are passing, and we have successfully built one feature for Laravel, right? Bro, which extension are you using? For what? For running the tests? Yeah. For that, I am using uh, the PHP, I guess. This PHP extension. This PHP extension. This comes with all the stuff which we need for PHP in the um, VS Code, right? Even lots of Laravel stuff, right? Okay, so I think we already built one thing, right? And what we can do is now we can make maybe let's do some separate commits. So first we added a make builder command, then we listed it into the artisan service provider, then we added the test for same command, right? So first feature is already built. Now the question is, should we add builder flag, right, to the make model command, right? Where is the make model command? Where is the make model command? No, where make model? Sorry, it should be model make command. Yeah. So do you think we should add a builder flag to model command or not? What do you say? Let me know in the comment. Yes, no. Should we do a PR for now and we can add another PR later with the builder flag? What do you say, guys? Yes or no? Okay, I think we already spent the 45 minutes to do the stuff already, right? So let's actually create. We need to write a 12x here, right? Whenever you do a PR, you must write like prefix as a like the branch where you wanna like the targeted branch as a prefix. Then you can write. You don't need a feat actually. We can add now, right? Okay, we can do that. Hmm, what summary action generate? Let's see that it does. So for that, what we actually need to do is if we wanna add it for in this like PR. Yeah. So what we can do is we actually need to register. Mm, is it in the sequence? No, it isn't, right? A is here. So we can just add it at last. And what we can call is a builder. And B, yeah, and create a new builder for the model. Yeah, perfect. That is what we actually wanted to do, right? What we missed it? Yeah, right? So first we need to add a builder flag and a B flag, right? B flag is not already exist, right? No, it doesn't, right? So we can add that. Then what we can do is we can hmm, what we can do. Okay, okay, okay. So I got it. We need to create a builder when we have the builder flag, right? So yeah, here we can say if, right, we have option builder, then create the build. Yeah, right, perfect. So we need to create this create builder function too. And what we can do is perfect, perfect, perfect. Exactly, that we actually needed to do. But one thing I am actually concerned about, that if the model is created into the namespace, the builder should be also created into the namespace, right? I think we don't need this, right? And we can say slash model and the qualifying input similar to this. So we don't need to think much about it, right? Then what we can do is we can trust the code for now, then we'll test it, then we can just check if it is working or not. Uh, and now we will need a builder replacement, right? So what we can actually do is we need a function. We need a function. Yeah, the build class is already there. Yeah, we need a function here that no, I think we can just copy it and paste it over here for build it, and we can call it builder, right? And mhm, builder import. Mhm. No, 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 no. Actually, actually, right. I think we have one new thing in the Laravel which we can use, right? Let's go to the documentation, and I don't know. I think we have some attributes, right? Let's find a builder stuff, new builder stuff, query builders. No, 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 no. Yeah, let's go to the end actually, maybe. There should be a custom builder, but let's find a custom. Custom is also 34, right? Builder? No. Oh, why it is actually. I came from your LinkedIn. Hey, Sid, the IT guy. Okay. Uh, I'm literally now thinking, I think getting started, and we have really happy to see you are contributing to my favorite film. Yeah. So we can call a builder also here, the query builder stuff. It's good to go in the reverse order, and we are still not able to find how to build add a custom builder. Sure. Hmm? Is it that hard? Not, I think this is. becoming something weird that we are not able to find a custom builder store. This is problem. Okay, I think I can go to the mm, our yeah here and we can go to the user model. I think we have now new stuff where we can just do no, we cannot do actually queried by no, right? But we have actually collected by. So they have added the collected by attribute, but they haven't added the queried by. Oh shit. Okay. So basically, now we cannot do this actually. So what we can do is we can say that uh, protected function new base query builder, new base query builder or a new which model query, what which function we want to override. New query, I think new base query builder, right? New eloquent builder, yeah, right, perfect. So and here we actually need a builder class which we gonna actually return. So maybe something, right? And we will gonna say something, right? What are we saying? By बना क्या रहे हो? See, what we have done actually, we don't have a PHP artisan make builder command, right? So we added it to the Laravel, right? So now what we are doing actually is, uh, why we have the error? Okay, it should return the builder. What it is saying must be public. Okay, that we can do actually, right? And what we actually need here is we need and yeah, let's check the overridden method. Do we will have some overridden method here? New builder, new eloquent builder. Yeah, this is the method. Yeah, this is. So what we can do is you can just copy this right from here, right? Simply. And yeah, we can just paste that here, right? And we actually gonna do something and here we need a user as a model, right? So that is what we actually need, right? And the something model already has the generics which it needs, right? What we can do is, I mean builders से क्या बनता है? uh, I think we will check that particular thing in a later, or you can see my previous streams where I already explained what is builder, right? I will share it in the comment, right? Or just DM me in a LinkedIn or Twitter. I will let you know where you can find the stuff for that, right? Okay, so this is what actually we need, right? So something is a builder class, right? So we need to build this. Just copy this and go to the our yeah, this. So we actually has these, right? This is actually perfect stuff, right? Then we, yeah, this is I think perfect. Yeah, this all stuff is perfect, I guess. No, we need slash app here. Yeah, this is now perfect. And yeah, this is also perfect. Again, mm, we don't need this actually. We need this. Yeah. Um, sorry. Yeah. Right. We need this actually. So we will we need it. We will need this as dollar builder plus, right, and with the, yeah, small b, right, and we can put, I think, another dollar here. No, sorry, slash here, and also a slash here, also a slash here, right. At the place of user we will need a, yeah, model path. Perfect. uh then I think this is fine. So we actually need a builder name here. Hopefully this will work. We will going to actually, mm, builder code is there, builder slash. Let's see what we need to do this. Do add, no, we don't actually need the builder stuff to slash and no. Okay, we need a double inverted comma here, right, and we need a slash r slash and two, right. Okay, so basically whenever uh, we have a builder flag, right, we will add it, and we have, whenever we don't have a builder flag, right, we will remove the stuff. But for that we actually need to update model dot stub, right. Then we can say here builder code and builder import, right. No, I think, yeah, let's call builder new builder function, right, and it's here, right. Okay, I think this is fine. Is it? Yeah. Let's copy this and go to the right. Okay, let's try to create a model, a new model. Right? No. Wait. We are still missing some. Yeah, we actually need to, uh, oh, I don't remember. Uh, replace equal to this build. My system is hanged or something like that. Yeah, it hanged actually. No, now it is working. Perfect. Okay, and what we'll do is, what to say this is gonna work. Let's see. I think we already have more than 1 hour stream, but let's try to PHP partition make column model, right? And what model? Post slash b. It created the builder, a post builder, and it created the post. But let's see if everything worked perfectly. No. Oh, okay. The slash is there. This space we can remove, right? But other things, okay, the builder import is not replaced because the b should be small, I think, right? So, but post builder stuff is fine. I think, do we need a slash here? Yeah, we need a slash here. Okay, or no? I think we need a slash here, but not that. And we need a slash at both the place. And this path should be something like this. Okay, we need a slash like this. I don't understand what we are missing actually. Should we forward slash or we can remove this? No. Okay, I removed the post class for no, we don't have. We just I think need to do something like this and yeah, I think this is fine actually. And what if we remove the slash? No. So we need a slash, a forward slash. Right. Okay. Let's remove this stuff and mm, we need to what we need to do is what we need to do is what we need to do is we need to I think we can remove the slashes from here. No, cannot do that. So what we can do is actually we can just add slash here. No, yeah, we can add slash like this here. We can slash. No, we don't need that slash there actually. Where we needed the slash, the missing slash. Not here actually, right? But we need a slash here. Let's see what actually what we are missing. We need to keep it as a small b, right? That we already done. What we missed? We missed what we missed. Yeah. Uh, builder make command, right? And at that particular place, what we were missing is actually the forward slash here. Right. Without the namespace, right? Actually, we need to add a forward slash. No, not here. Actually, okay. I think we are missing something in the model. Make model command. Sorry for model make command. It was a bad idea to add it in this particular. Uh, yeah, yeah, we found it. Mhm. I think stream is quarter into longer, maybe, but I think you can add two slashes here later. Okay, I think that is fine. We should just create a PR and we will later add the stuff. New console command for the builder. Right, right. And what we can say is PHP, no, dash and PHP addition make builder uh, post builder and maybe PHP addition make builder post builder slash slash model, right, and equal to uh, slash slash app slash slash models slash slash post, right. Let's take the example, right. So this is how it works. We will create a PR and uh, we will add those other stuff uh, tomorrow, or maybe I will add it later, right? I will add it later. Yeah, I just have a style issue as always. I always have some style issue. Hmm, interesting. What issue it has? Yeah, this I can understand. Okay. Okay, got it. Uh, we are looking at the file. So actually it is saying that what it was saying. Yeah, it should be single inverted comma. Right. You can make it as a single inverted comma. That problem is solved. Other problem is mm, this is fine. What is the issue? I think we don't need this, so just close it for sorry. Okay, it is here only. So it is saying that it should be like this. Right, and it should be like this. Right. Perfect. So yeah, perfect. And let's go again. Check if everything is working fine. What do you say? It's gonna work. And we can write here. I am I am up for adding test builder uh, flag for make model. Come on, right? If Taylor likes it, we can go further, right? Okay, I think this was for the today. Um, I will maybe add this later with the separate PR, right? It was, I think, we already make it, but I think uh, it's like too much for the single stream. Okay, so do you have any questions? Just write below into the comments, and till that we can wait also for the test. Okay, so I think if Sid you are there, say hi. I will explain the builder stuff in the remaining time. Okay, I think let's end this particular thing. See you.